2? Where's 2? There's no 2. Oh yeah, there it is. The buckle around the waist. 3, you tighten it up. 4, you pull on those, and then the rest you can pull it up. So it might not be that bad. We'll see that.
I think so.
Yeah. Come around.
What the heck?
Buckle in.
What is that?
Somebody got it from the airplane. Calvin?
I got this part.
Now you're pulling the string.
Oh god.
It might not be that bad. Let's see.
Ready?
That's awesome.
It's cold. It's so cold.
What's that?
Holy smokes.
Now I'm gonna float forever. That's amazing.
Oh my god.
What?